welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, get ready with me to go to work. Hi guys, so this is my bare face. Hindi siya bare face kasi naglagay na ako ng foundation guys. So I just used this is from Maybelline. This is the Super Stay and I'm in the shade 128, but I think this is now darker to my skin tone, so I have to buy like a new foundation and have a lighter one shade from this shade. Pero ubos na rin naman din kasi to, like ubos na. Now let's go to concealer because we know that we got a lot of concealing to do. And yes, this is my morning voice. Right guys, concealer. This is from Squad Cosmetics and I'm using the shade CL1 and I like this shade. So, meron akong tatlong shade ng concealer from this brand. Kasi, you know, you guys already know that I'm an acne prone yearly, so you guys are seeing like two of you are several pimple marks in my face. And we got to conceal it. Conceal it! All done guys for concealer. Now I'm gonna use something to set my face. And I got to buy a few makeup products last 11/11, so that's November 11. So I got to check out like from 2 makeup brands. I'm really excited to get the other one because the other one just arrived yesterday. Yesterday was November 12, so I'm just waiting for the other one to arrive so that I can share it with you as well on my next video hopefully. And yeah, now let's do my the powdering. Of course I'm using this is from Pink Flash, the lasting matte powder. I'm using this just under my eyes, and then for the rest of my face I'm just using a pulbo guys. Pag yung hindi ko kailangan ng pakak ng mukha going to work, pulbo lang ang ginagamit ko guys. Now guys, let's do my key line. So I will just be using this. This is just a very affordable brow liner that I really use. Normal days, ganyan. Normal days, hindi kailangan ng pakak ng makeup. So I'm just using this. Pero it does the job guys. Dati, naaalala ko, nung college ako, hindi ito yung ginagamit ko. Ang advanced na eyebrow kit yung ginagamit ko nung college ako. Yung first work ko nung 2022, hindi na yun yung ginagamit ko. Kasi natatandaan ko, ganito na yung ginagamit ko nun. Pero yung collating. But right now, I'm just using the gray one. Kasi parang super harsh ng itim. Itim na nga yung ano ko. Tapos sobrang itim ko ba mag-apply nun guys. Ayan, diba? It does the job guys. Diba? Simple lang ang ating kilay kapag papasok sa work. Kasi hindi ko na nire-retouchan yan. Depende na lang kunyari may instances na unaware ako na bigla akong pinakamot sa eyebrows ko. Alam na, titingin agad sa salamin tapos titignan kung may nawala sa placement ng ano ko, kilay, shade. Alright guys, that's done. The kilay is done. Now let's do my tungkil. Nagalagay ako ng tungkil guys. So I'm still using the Muse double eyeliner, but I'm just using yung hindi, yung walang shape, yung mismong as is na parang pentel pen. Kaya na natin yan. Gawin na natin yan sa screen. Dati hindi ko kaya, but ngayon kaya na sa screen, diba? Very improved na ako. Tsaka guys, yung eyeliner ko, hindi ko talaga siya napaabot sa unahan. Kapag work lang, minsan nga dito lang yun, tapos minsan nakapit lang. Iba-iba ako ng style ng eyeliner. Pero, tingin nyo, diba? Medyo, because we're still not done. I will still be using this and curling my lashes and putting some mascara on it. But right now, the step we must do is blush. Oh, mamaya baka mapansin nyo, hala, hindi ka pala nag-cream blush. Hindi ako nag-cream blush kapag hindi kailangan ng pakak na makeup, guys. So, kailangan kasi syempre pag work, kailangan yung sakto lang. Yung pang trabaho naman na matino, ganun. Kasi madali lang naman din mag-retouch. Diba? I mean, sa akin na, yun yung perspective ko, guys. Don't bash me. Gamit kong blush is not your typical blush on that you will be seeing online, but you know, I'm using this blush on na may shimmer. Blush on na may shimmer, and this is from Ever Bilena Single Blush On in the shade Baby Pink. So ayan na siya, nag-touch the pan na siya, guys. Paubos na. Nag-touch the pan na din yung pinakita ko sa inyo, diba? Now, let's head on to contour. So, dati di ako nag-contour. But right now, I wanna contour because it enhances my face feature. So, that's why I do it na. So, I'm using this mini palette from NYX or NYX Love in Florence. Yeah, it has these shades. It's 3R shimmer. Ito naman yung mga hindi shimmer, matte sila. Ito yung ginagamit ko mga contour. Ito, minsan kapag smoky eyes, ginagamit ko. So, I will be just using this brush. This is how I do my contour, guys. Nilinyahan ko lang talaga. Ayan, may linya na siya. Very harsh lines, as you guys can tell. Ayan, tapos, tsaka ko siya i-blend. I-blend ko yung daliri lang. Para maging subtle. All done, guys. Pati ba nag-contour tayo, gagamitin ko ulit itong loose powder ko from Pink Flash. Kuha ko ng konti, ilalagay ko sa gitna nung pinaglagyan ko ng contour. Walang feature. Isa nose ko banda ngayon, meron na, diba? Tapos yun yan. Baka magtanong kayo, guys, diba kanina ginawa kay eyeliner ko, tapos mukhang hindi maganda sa mata nyo. Sabi nyo, ala, bakit hindi ka pa nag-mascara or hindi mo pa tinapos yung eye makeup mo? Kasi guys, ang reason ko doon is, diba mayan nga, nag-contour ako sa nose. So kapag nilagyan ko na, kapag nag-blend na ako ng contour ko sa nose, yung particles ng mascara or yung mascara, pag i-swatch ko dito, nalalagay yung kamay ko. Madudumihan yung kamay ko. So that's why ang next from eyeliner, then contour ako. Tapos tsaka ako magmamaskara. Ganon, guys. Guys, the mascara. So I'm still using something or this makeup from Pink Flash. This is my holy grail mascara at this point in my life, and it really does the job. And ang tagal na sa akin itong particular piece na to. Cute ko siya dahil of course I'm a sweet girl and I'm a girl's girl. Pinabroadcast ko na ito na talaga yung holy grail ko kasi ang ganda-ganda na talaga. Pag naubos tong hawak ko na ito na peraso, may pamalit siya agad na dalawa. There we go, diba? Okay na siya, subtle na siya, hindi nahalata yung sa may eyeliner ko na para hindi nyo bet masyado, di kayo sanay masyado sa ganong feature. But yeah, kuha na siyang part ng mascara ko. Now, next, of course, lips. So I got two lip products here. This is from Vice Cosmetics. This is the Do It All. This is in the shade Always Lovely, and this one is from Colourette. Ano lang talaga, yung packaging issues talaga. I love this product as well. Anong nalagay ko siya sa lips ko, sobrang extraordinary ng dating kasi iba yung formula niya. Nagandahan talaga ako. But yeah, the packaging is a no-no. So, I will be using them both. Yeah, konti lang yan. Pero grabe. Ay, wala pa yung gilid. This is it, guys. And also, this is in the shade Sizzle. Ayusin ko lang yung lips ko. Ayan, guys. Very pakak ang ating lips. Mabubura din yan, guys. Kasi, inom ako ng water and such. We're almost done, guys. I will just accessorize myself and fix my hair as well. Hi, guys. So now we're done. We're done with our makeup and we're almost done with today's video, and I'm really happy for the outcome of this makeup. Hindi ako napahiya sa inyo. Diba? Trust the process lang, guys. I'm now working at a different company. I'm really happy that I got to be a part of this family right now. I've been trying to join 3 years ago, and yes. But that's not the point of this video, guys. Ang point is, get ready with me, guys. Hindi ito yung get ready with me na putyo-putyo, guys. Pagkatas ng video na to na i-film, papasok na talaga ako, guys. Babiyahin na ako para pumasok. Literal na get ready with me to go to work to, guys. Okay? So yeah, I'm really happy that you guys watch this video until the end. So if you do, just comment down there, guys. So para malaman ko na nanonood kayo hanggang dulo. And yeah, that's about it. And I will just link everything that I use in the description box so you guys can purchase if you like. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you do, just like, comment your thoughts and suggestions or anything, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.